Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to deauthorize all devices on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to deauthorize all the devices on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged in over here guys. And when you land on this interface, in order to deauthorize all of your devices on Steam, you can see your username is available for us at the top right corner of the screen. There is a drop down arrow available for us over here as well. Now in order to proceed, click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner, and this kind of menu will appear where you can see the account details option available for us. Just below the view my profile, click on the account details, which is the second option, and you land on this interface. Whereas at the left side, where over here you can see there is an option where it says authorized devices. Click on the option where it says authorized devices, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to view all of your authorized devices for your Steam account particularly. Now in order to deauthorize all of your devices from your Steam account, you can see here it says remove all credentials and sign out of all devices. Now in order to proceed to deauthorize all of the devices, click on remove all credentials and click on the proceed button over here, and all of the devices which you had authorized in the past for your Steam account will be deauthorized momentarily, including the device on which you are currently logged in. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to deauthorize all devices on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.